Hello students, myself Aishwarya, teacher of Set Vidya Mandir English High School, teaching in Standard 3rd. Today I am going to teach first chapter of EVS, our environment. Take a look around. There are many things around us. They form our environment. There are stones, rocks, and soil. There are rivers, streams, and lakes. There are hills, mountains, jungles, fields, and houses. There are roads, there are barren lands. We also see many different animals around us. Different types of trees, climbers makes our environment beautiful. We too also are a part of environment. Now, let us take a look at a stone and a sparrow in our surroundings and we will compare them. A stone remains where it is. Its place changes only if someone picks it up and moves it. It does not eat. It is not same with the sparrow. They build nest. They move here and there on their own. They eat insects and grains. That is why they grow. They lay eggs in nest. Sparrows take care of their young ones. Why do we see these differences between the sparrow and the stone? Because the sparrow is a living thing and the stone is a non-living thing. Now we will study about the things in our surrounding. So things in our surrounding form two groups, living thing and non-living thing. Living things are of two kinds, plants and animals. Animals have babies and seedlings grow from seeds. The seedlings then grow into plants. This tells us that plants are living things. Now we will study the relationship between all the things in the environment. Water and air are a part of the environment. All living things need them. Living things also need food. They get their food from the environment. Whatever living things need to survive, they get everything from the environment. Birds build nest. Yes, they need cotton, twigs, threads to build them. They get these things from the environment. Human beings also use so many things from the environment. We get cotton, wool, and silk from our environment. We weave clothes from them. We also make things like mats, baskets, paper from materials in our environment. We also build houses using clay, stone, and wood. So, all these materials too we get from our environment. Animals like vultures and foxes eat the flesh of dead animals. So, thus they clean the environment as well as they satisfy their hunger. Now we will see what we have learned. We have learned that there are many things in our environment. Some of them are living things and some are non-living things. Living things can move on their own. Living things need food. Food helps them to grow. Living things can produce young ones like themselves. Living things are of two kinds, plants and animals. All the things in the environment depend upon each other. Students, do you know a ship's body is covered with a wool? The ship feeds on leaves of shrubs. As it does so, the seeds of shrubs get caught in its wool. When the ship goes somewhere else, the seeds fall off. Thus, the ship helps new seedlings of the shrub to grow in many different places. In this way, the ship, which is an animal, and the shrub, which is a plant, help each other. Now, let's do the testing of how much the lesson you have understood by answering the following questions. The first question is, what are the things that we get from our environment? Yes, we get cotton, wool, and silk from our environment. We build houses using clay, stone, and wood. We get all these materials from environment. Now we will go to second question. Second question is, what are the uses of cotton? We use cotton to weave cloth. Third question, which birds do you see in your surrounding? Yes, we see sparrow, pigeon, and crow in our surrounding. Here are few difficult words to study. First is materials. Second, environment. Third, sparrow. Fourth, basket. Fifth, mountains. We'll repeat it again. Materials, environment, sparrow, basket, mountains. Thank you for watching the video.